My name is Owodune Banjoko, 8287 class set, and the National Project Management Officer of Remo Secondary School Student Association. As you can see already, we have to deliver so many projects for the schools going towards our 80th anniversary. We have listed the numbers of projects, among which is the upgrading of the sport of power or Neko stadium, the new sports center being funded by Adetola Emmanuel King, the national president, at a cost of 600 million naira. But by the time we finish this project, it's going to cost us nothing less than 700 million. This is what going on. The sports center is going to have a 500-seater pavilion and 900 popular sites. And the field is going to be tartan tracks and with astro stuff. Apart from this, we are also doing, at present now, we are also doing what we call landscaping of the outside fence. The project for the outside fence is also being bankrolled by Adron Home and Property, a company owned by Adetola Emmanuel King himself. And we are doing that at a cost of 140 million naira. Aside this, there is Engineer Wale Fayemi building, because he has adopted what we used to call the L shape now. So Engineer Wale Fayemi has assured us that he's going to take it up. So by this medium, corporate organizations, individuals, class sets, and even corporate bodies, grants, and these NGOs come to us. We need more donors. We have a lot of projects. The dining hall is there. The senior school admin block is there. The junior school admin block is there. We have the laboratory to be taken care of. We have the e-library. We are proposing a 7,000 amphitheater. Yes, we are seeking for funds. The roads are there also. We need to do a lot of interlocking. We have the second gate now, going towards the canal. For those of us who knows RSS very well, going towards the canal now, you can easily pass through that place. We have a lot of quarters we have to do, and the least we can also do is the repainting of all the buildings in our school environment.